guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to install Minecraft in less than a minute. Let's go. First thing you want to do is you want to open up your web browser. Next thing you want to do is type in Minecraft download. Once you type Minecraft download, you want to hit download Minecraft Java Edition, then you hit the download link. Now that you've downloaded the file, you want to go into your downloads and you want to open Minecraft installer. You hit OK. Now you want to hit next, install. And you want to hit yes on the screen. Then you want to hit finish, and now you have finished installing Minecraft in less than a minute. Now first time you launch it, you may get an update in Minecraft. Now that installing is complete, you can log into Minecraft and play the best game of all time. See you guys, thank you, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thank you very much.